Hi everyone, welcome to BFF. I'm sure you are shocked what exactly it is, but I know you all of you have tried making white butter at home, and so I have also tried today, and it was amazing. So I thought, why not share? So I have a cow's milk malai of 10 days with me. So what I have done, I have taken it into a blender, and I have put half a glass of water into it, and then I just kept mixing it in the mixer for like exactly 2-3 minutes, and this is what I got: cow's milk yellow white butter. It is very healthy, and is look at the texture. It's a proper white butter which we are supposed to give to our kids. It's very healthy. I have made it from cow's milk, A2 cow's milk, and it is made from a 10 days malai, so it's amazing. So we're not supposed to make a lot of it together. Just make it with a fresh 10 days malai, and it's very healthy and it's wonderful. It's yellow in color because it's made from a cow's milk. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share and comment. Thank you.